So right now you are familiar with how we can add the different APIs in Okta, right? So you are. Yes, I added users, groups and apps and logs. And there are plenty of other APIs also. So it is not restricted just only to users, or not restricted only just to groups. There are plenty of APIs available. So here you can see, Apps API is there, which we have seen. User API we have seen. There is one called Sessions API, then Policy API is there, Factors API is there, Device API is there. So likewise, there are a lot of APIs are available. For example, if you want to access Factors API, you can click this here and it will take you to the list of APIs that is available for Factors. So if you click Run Reinforcement, it will be automatically added. So the same thing. Okay, so we can see the factors got added. So in that I can able to see all the list of factors available. Let's say I want to reset the factor for one user. So I can able to do it. So likewise, for example. So here you can see, with the help of this you can able to reset the factor for a user. Okay, multi-factor authentication factors. Likewise, there are plenty of factors available. It is not just restricted only to users and groups. Likewise, you can able to configure it based on your requirements. Now let's discuss about the group 1. Okay, for group we have different operations like group operations, which is like getting the list of groups. Add user to the group. So those things and group membership operations will give you an in detail view of what the membership of that group have. If you want to add user to the group membership, you can do it. If you want to remove a group membership, you can do it like this. So from here, and the related list of assigned applications. For example, if you want to get the list of application assigned to one group, you can able to get it from here. Group rules. So, if you remember, we have worked on the group rules, right? Like we need to assign a group rule so that group will help you to automatically do some provisioning for different set of applications. So that operations also you can do. Okay, now let's start with the add group, which means we are going to create a new group. So if you click that add group here you can see in the body there is a predefined state available. Okay, you can edit your group details here. For example, API group and this is a new list for API. Okay. And once that is done here also in the post URL you can see it is not asking for anything. Only URL is asking, but URL is already assigned. Here you can see if you hover over there. Okay, you can see it is assigned, so no changes on this. Click that, click set. That's it. The user has been see the account. Sorry, the group has been created and the status says it's okay. Okay. From this you can able to create like this. Now, let's say you want to list all the groups that is available in Okta. Okay. So this option will help you and the get group will give you only the group that you want to do. Okay. Let's say you have created this group right now. You want to check only this group information. You can get this group ID number. Make sure this here. Okay. Click Set. You will get the group information. Okay. What is the group name? What is the description? And from which membership, I mean which source the group is being maintained? Okay. So those things we can able to see. Actually, yesterday I tried to create one user but because I wanted to edit the same user, because I didn't change the first name and last name. Is there any option to change the user, the first name and last name? Update right. Okay. Let's see that. It should be set. Let's see. That should be an option. Let me see. So here you can see update. User is there. So yeah. So what you need to do is you need to edit an user account with the help of this code only. Okay. It's not a predefined one actually. So what you need to do is you need to copy this code. Okay. And this API, let's say open this one. This is password. Okay. In the body, try to update this. Okay. And API token is already there. Okay. First, I need to update. Just a sec. Okay. So this I will tell you tomorrow. Actually, there should be some code that we need to update. I guess I will tell you tomorrow for this, okay? Okay. But there is an option. You don't need to worry about that. But there is an option for that. I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll make a note for that. Now. So, as I said, we have created a group and we need to get the information in the group. You can go ahead and use this group options. Okay. And let's say, if you want to list all the list of groups available, okay. You can use this API thing. So if you click send, it will get you all the list of groups available. Okay. Even it will get you the opt-out group. It will get you the app group, application master group. Okay. It will get you the Active Directory group also. Let me show you that. Okay, yeah, I think it is. App group is nothing but an AD group. Okay. Active Directory group. We have mentioned this app group. Okay. So likewise, if you want to convert it to Excel. So, as I said yesterday, yeah, convert like Jasso to CSV. Now let's say you want to find this group alone. Okay. Copy this ID of this group. Or else, either you can do it here also. Go to Okta console. Okay. Go to groups. Open the group that you want to do. Okay. Copy the group ID for the group. This is the group ID.